In a bold move, Zimbabwe's president has slammed the door on dialogue with Nelson Chamisa. George Charamba, the deputy chief secretary, has confirmed that President Emmerson Mnangagwa won't engage in dialogue with opposition leader Nelson Chamisa. This announcement was a direct response to economist Gift Mugano, who urged for national dialogue to tackle Zimbabwe's challenges. Charamba accuses Chamisa of repeatedly missing opportunities for dialogue, which has hindered progress towards unity and economic recovery. Despite calling for inclusivity, Charamba claims Chamisa's secretive approaches, including involving intermediaries like journalists and church leaders, have undermined trust and transparency. President Mnangagwa and the ruling ZANU-PF party maintain their commitment to dialogue but insist on mutual trust and clear objectives. However, they view Chamisa's attempts since 2018 as deceitful and dishonest. The political landscape in Zimbabwe remains tense as the call for dialogue continues to be a contentious issue. Will there ever be a meeting of minds, or is this the final word?